Hey everyone, this is Susie Q's Happy Little Haven, and this is part 2. My camera accidentally, or the video accidentally shut off while I was making my way up from the creek, and so I wanted to just do a short part 2 to show you that Maggie Mae is still enjoying the creek, and there it is from her. I'll show you from her vantage point. There it is. Beautiful, just beautiful. And yeah, it's so nice out here that she really doesn't need a coat or a sweater or anything like that. You can see her hair blowing in the breeze. Really a beautiful day. Where's your hair, Missy? There it is. Gorgeous hair. Here she is. Let me see if I can get the camera to catch her. There we go. And she's got her pretty little spring dress on that I put on her yesterday. She's just out here chilling. Just like me. Sometimes you just gotta take a breath and chill. And that's what I'm doing today with Maggie Mae. You see if I can get her. There she is. There's the whole view. We've got Maggie Mae. I have her set up on a like a plastic tablecloth on her baby blanket, because it is wet out here because of all the rain that we've been getting. So I took a tablecloth and I put it down first, and then I put her blankie on it. So she's just having a great time out here. I love that mirror image down there. I'm going to see if I can get a view all the way down of the trees reflecting in the water. That creek just goes on and on and on. It doesn't end at our property. It just goes on and on and on for miles and miles. And here's the water going over the rocks. That's really a pretty view, isn't it? And there's Maggie Mae to your left, little tiny Maggie Mae. She looks so small from here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and walk back. I'm trying not to jerk the camera. It's kind of hard to do because it's not smooth walking around here. We are in the country, so I'm trying. As I see Maggie Mae bouncing in the in the camera. So anyway, okay. Well, I think I've taken enough of your time with this video, but I just thought it would be fun to come out and just enjoy a relaxing day and not have any stress or worries. There's just so much going on that sometimes you just need to get out, enjoy nature, take a deep breath, and just calm. Just be calm. And so, Suzanne, this is for you, and for the rest of my dolly friends that enjoy seeing my creek. And I wanted to have Maggie Mae, just me and Maggie Mae today, because sometimes you just have to do that. So anyway, everyone, hope you enjoyed my video. I will see you very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.